Hey guys, Typical Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about loading two bikes in a minivan. And what I have here, this is a Dodge ProMaster City, and I want to show you guys that it can be done. As you can see behind me, I got two full-size bikes in there. And you can get them in there. I'm going to show you a couple tricks that's going to help you and make sure that you can get them in there and the doors can close with no problem at all. Let me show you. No problem at all. All right, so you can see up there I got room on top of both of those, and I got full-size handguards. I got Cycra Pro bends on both of these bikes. This is a Beta 200. This is a CRF 250X. These are both full-size bikes. I'm using my tie-down setup from the pegs here. On the outside I'm using hooks. It's just easier with the hooks. It doesn't. You can use the same ones I have on the inside out here on the outside, but because it's such an angle forward, I'm using the hooks. The front ones, not as much of an angle, just a little bit. And that tells you a little bit of how the bikes are set up here. So they're both pretty straight up. I can lean this one even further if I wanted to this way, but I'm going to show you what you got to do in the front to make these fit. All right, so here I have these guards, and these are from a member of the Mini Motovans, fans of Mini Motovans on Facebook. So you can see it here and here. And hopefully he'll comment on here and put his information so you guys can order some up. I think they were completely worth it. You just got to cut a little bit of plastic out here, and then you mount them, and there are two screws down in there. Right there, you can see one and another one. And they mount up to factory thread inserts that are already in here in the B column here, so they fit right in, no problem. So what you got to do to make sure everything fits is make sure that the bars are turned all the way. If you can see, I got both of them turned all the way out. So both of these are on the stops. All right, so I got the bars turned all the way to the stops here and the same here. And by turning the bars all the way, you're able to get the bike as far forward as possible so it fits in the back. And I still got good room in here for everything I need in the middle for the helmets and gear, no problem. And I put fuel in the back side of it. All right, and this is where my fuel rack is right here, and the can just snaps right into that thing and stays in place. I don't have it mounted down yet, but this is where it's going to be sitting. Plenty of room and room on the inside here. All right, guys, so you can easily get two bikes in this. When you're putting them in, put whatever one that you want to put in first. It really doesn't matter, and get that wheel turned all the way, and then mount your other one up in here. When you're getting the other one in, sometimes the bars are pretty close when you get them past each other. But if you bring it straight all the way in and then just cut the bars all the way out, it'll fit in with no problem. And it's pretty easy. I loaded up both of these by myself, not a big deal. Hopefully, guys, this helps you out. And you can use these small vans, okay? And this one here is just a ProMaster City, okay? Just a ProMaster City. And it fits in here no problem. It's pretty amazing when I got this thing and set it all up. And I'm getting, in the mid 20s per gallon. If it's this thing empty, it gets like 28. When it's full like this, I'll get like 20, probably 22 on the highway. It's really a great van. It's been pretty awesome. So anyway, guys, hopefully this helps you out. Find one of these vans or any of the other ones. I don't know how it is in the Ford Transits or the Nissan NV200s. I'm not sure how tight. I think they're smaller. This one's a little bit longer, I think. So you might have to figure that out. But in these vans, the Ram Promaster Cities, this is how I set it up. It's easy. You can get two bikes in here with no problem at all, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, this is Typical Cycle Repair.